Friends and comrades, the Student Federation of India Central Executive Committee has given this call on 24th, which is today, to stand against the domestic violence, the gendered gap in education, and against the forced marriage and child marriage of girl students. We have seen that during the lockdown, the people who are more affected because of the pandemic and the lockdown together are the people who are coming from marginalized section of working class family and of course the women. We have seen that the dropout rate among women had increased during the last 1 year. We have also seen that many news are coming where girl students are forced to get married since they are living with their family, the hostels are closed. There are numerous news of domestic abuse, sexual harassment also are coming to us. A very sad incident, not one, basically two sad incidents happened in Kerala 2 days back, where one medical student was tortured every day because she was not paying enough dowry. Her studies were stopped by her husband, and out of frustration, she was forced to commit suicide. The similar kind of incident again was reported from Kerala, and we know these are not isolated incidents. There are multiple incidents like that where girl students are particularly being discriminated for their gender. The people who are coming from poorer family, from working class family, this 1 year had been extremely difficult for them. We are seeing that the dropout students are forced to take up job in Swiggy, in Zomato as delivery boy or delivery girl. We from Student Federation of India stand against the digital divide. We are demanding that education needs to be equal for everyone, free for everyone, and we are also taking pledge against dowry, against gender gap, and against the domestic abuse that is happening to the girl students. So today, as we have planned across the country, our comrades are going to take a pledge. We are saying this is our All India Pledge Day against the gendered gap in education and the domestic violence and sexual harassment. So today we are in our SFI office from the Central Executive Committee. We will start the pledge program today. We, the members of Student Federation of India,
we, the members of Student Federation of India,
take pledge
to
fight against every kind of gendered violence and misogyny. We hereby promise to neither accept nor demand dowry. The right of education has to equal for all. Thus, we stand against child marriage, forced marriage, and the gender gap in education. We hereby pledge to create a safe space for all against sexual harassment, domestic abuse, and gender discrimination. Inqilab Zindabad.